How to fix false positive in Bitdefender. Ransomware is a malicious software that seeks to encrypt files and hold them for ransom. Users must pay the hackers to regain access to files like picture, videos, or important documents. Infections can spread via spam emails, by downloading attachments, or by visiting infected websites and installing malicious applications without letting the user know what is happening on his system. Ransomware can have one of the following behaviors to prevent the user from accessing his system: encrypt sensitive and personal files without giving the possibility of decryption until a ransom is paid by the victim. Locks the computer screen and displays a message asking for money. In this case, no file is encrypted, but the user is forced to proceed with the payment. Blocks applications from running. Bitdefender uses the latest technology to ensure system integrity, protecting critical system areas against damages without impacting the system. When an application tries to change or delete one of your protected files, it will be considered as unsafe and Bitdefender will block its functionality. The product will display a notification informing you that the app attempted to change a file in a protected folder and was blocked. In case such an application is added to the untrusted applications list and you are sure that it is safe to use it, follow these steps. 1. Click on Protection, on the left sidebar of the Bitdefender interface. 2. In the Save Files pane, click Application Access. 3. The apps that have requested to change files in your protected folders are listed. Click on the switch next to the application you are sure is safe, and set it to Allow.